Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have XIAOMI Smart Band 10 Pro, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this smart band. So let's get started. And if you want to adjust the screen brightness on your smart band, first you will need to turn off the automatic one, because by default the automatic brightness is enabled, and what it does is basically adjust the brightness of the screen on your smart band by according to the surrounding light of your smart band, because there is a sensor on your smart band that detects the light density, I would say, or something like that, or strength around the smart band, and depending on the light strength it will increase or decrease the brightness. But you can also set the brightness automatically, and the benefit of that is that if you set it automatically, or rather manually, my bad, to some specific level, the smart band will stay at that specific level and it won't change. Some people might prefer that. And to adjust the brightness, you need to open the settings. So swipe up on the screen to open the menu, then tap on the settings icon, find the option called display and tap on it. And here we have the brightness selected. By default, like I said before, it will be enabled, or auto will be enabled, and basically it will adjust automatically, but you can disable auto, then tap on custom, and now you can adjust the brightness according to your preferences. And like I said before, if you set the brightness, the custom brightness, it will stay at the specific level until you change it manually again or turn on the auto brightness. Okay, and basically that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this smart band. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.